Overlooking the Baraboo River and 400 State Trail is this custom 2-story home. At over 4,700 square feet, it has ample space so you can gather, yet not feel crowded. There are 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. On the second level is a family room with wood-burning stove insert, kitchen with small eat-in area, separate formal dining room, and living room. Head down the hall and you'll find an office, a bedroom, and spacious master suite. Downstairs, the walkout level has a 2-bedroom suite with its own private entrance, a workshop, and heated garage. The property was once a short-term rental, hosting guests using the trail or as a getaway. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing, contact Luke, Zach, or myself, Justin.